Welcome to Mankind Pharma Limited, Udaipur plant. Many visitors visit our site every day, and we ensure each visit is purposeful and safe. Please watch this video carefully to understand the visitor protocols at our site. When you enter our site, you must inform the guard at the visitor's gate of your purpose of visit and whom you want to meet. The guard will then check with the concerned official, and upon receiving the permission, he will start the necessary entry formalities. Entry to the site is done through an e-tablet, and you must register your details using this system. Kindly follow the on-screen instructions to generate the visitor slip, which will be given to you, and the visitor code. Please note that at this point, you can be frisked, and any flammable substances, narcotic substances, electronic equipment, or any weapons can't be taken inside the plant. You are requested to hand over your cell phone to the guard, who will keep it in the locker and give you the receipt token. If you wish to carry a particular item, such as a sample or your laptop, or wish to use your cell phone during the visit, you must seek separate permission from the concerned official. You will also be given a visitor badge. Please read the instructions on the back carefully and ensure you wear it at all times while at the site. Then, you are required to press the in button on the visitor head count panel to register your entry. Please note that if the electronic entry system is out of operation, the entry will be done manually through the visitor register. The administration department will also provide you with a safety helmet and safety shoes. You must correctly equip them, and then you are ready to enter our premises. The site has an admin area, API plants, formulation plants, intermediate plants, warehouse, central utility, ETP, and other areas. Your host will always accompany you and escort you to the desired location. Please make yourself aware of the do's and don'ts at the site. Walk inside the walkways marked in yellow inside the plant. Use the zebra crosswalk to cross the roads. Read and follow the safety signage inside the plant. Don't wander inside the plant, and don't unnecessarily touch or operate any equipment. Follow the area-specific guidelines, as different areas have different requirements for gowning and safety equipment. Please don't smoke or chew tobacco, pan masala, or gutkha inside the premises, as it's strictly prohibited. If you suffer from any disease, infection, open wound, or allergy, please refrain from entering the processing areas. While entering the processing area, kindly use the static electricity discharger installed at the entry point. Please note that photography and videography are prohibited in the plant. Following the instructions carefully will ensure you have a safe visit to our site. However, you must keep in mind the emergency precautions. Any emergency is notified through the emergency siren. Please make yourself conversant with the siren code. You will be required to reach the assembly point. Emergency signage inside the plant will lead you to the nearest assembly points. Please note there are 3 assembly points in the plant. During an emergency, don't use the lift. Use only the staircase to exit the area. At the assembly point, follow the instructions given by the site controller or site security. Once the emergency is over, it will be notified using a 1-minute straight siren tone. In case of any emergency, please dial the emergency number 300 from the nearest phone. In case of any power failure, don't panic and follow your escort's instructions. If you need first aid help, your escort will take you to the occupational health center. After you have completed your intended work at the site, you can safely exit the site. Following the exit procedure, your host will sign the slip. Return the signed visitor slip badge, and PPE to the guard. Remember to collect your belongings, if any, from the guard. Press the out button to record your exit. If you have any suggestions, please use the suggestions box.